Alright guys, we're here at Discount Fireworks in Ripon, Wisconsin. It's raining today. But we'll go ahead and do a little quick tour. We're going to show you guys the prices. Here's a bunch of new product. Alright, let's start here. You got Pyroman $8, $14, 38 bucks, $18, $8. This one's 9 bucks. Got those noise rockets, Gold Rush, 30 bucks. More fountains over here, 4 bucks, $6. These are pretty cool. These are the coffee fountains. These are 5 bucks a piece. They got the snow cones, 9 bucks. Those are pretty good. I had those before. These are $1 each. Can't go wrong with dollar fountains. Alright, we got here Fire and Ice, $27. Bright Star. It's got these nice big Roman candles. These are gonna be 18 bucks. Alright, we got this one right here for 29. The Stars 13. Alright, we got the Firecracker Barrage for $10. 18 bucks for the Puzzle Cube. This one's really good. I had this one before. Old Faithful is $18. Silent mode is $15. This is good if you don't want to make too much noise. This is a fountain, doesn't make any noise, so this one you can shoot anywhere. You won't bother the neighbors with that one. This one right here is $17. Bad Boys, that's a really good fountain, 8 bucks. This one shoots like sparks in the air, so this one's really good. I recommend that one. 7 bucks, 7 bucks. This one's 3, 5 bucks. Alright, 3 bucks. Alright. So we got Starry Night, $13 by Sky Painter. Arctic Vibe is 6. 180 is 15 bucks. This one should last 3 minutes. It says right there. Liberty Fountain is 10. 16 bucks for this Lighthouse by Window. A very good fountain. I've done this one. Got some 500 grams right here. 35. 25. This is a really good cake. He just demoed it on his channel. Recommend this one. Man Cave is 35. Very good cake. I recommend that one as well. This one here is 44. More fountains. 12. 11. 14. This one's cool. Spins around. 7 bucks. Dancing with Ghosts is 6. Rain Cupcake, I believe that's new for this year. That's $8. Around the World is 10. We got this one, Still Love You, for 14. That's a really nice fountain. It's got these in the back. This little ducky, 9 bucks. Koi Pond is $11. Kick-Ass is 6. That one looks pretty interesting for $6. Snow Cone, a very good fountain by Window, 14 bucks. I recommend that one. Had it before many times. Got the Ballerina Ball, that's 21 bucks. That's a spinning fountain. That one's also really nice. Good price for 21 bucks. Oohs and Ahs, 48. This one's 35. 60. 38. 10 bucks. 10. These are 6. 4. 5. These are both 5. 11. Bad Cactus, 11 bucks. That one looks pretty cool. That one's new. I haven't seen that one yet. This one I've done on my channel. Attack Mode, $19. Really nice. It starts like a Roman candle and it has a fountain as well. The shell is 47. These are all $14. This one's 54. 48 for Voodoo. This one right here is going to be 32. 36. This one's pretty good. I've done this one before. Crisscross, really nice Crusette effects, $11. Chroma Chameleon right here. This one's 14. 16. Beach Vibes, that's $10. That's a really good cake for 10 bucks. I have it I demoed on my channel. I recommend that one. Bum Bear is a classic, 6 bucks. Really good price. $6 for Blueprint. 7. Garden Screen is 4. This one is Wizard of Oz for 16 by Winda. I believe this one's new. This one's $15. Gold Rush, really good cake, 17 bucks. Nice big breaks, gold glitter. Really nice 200-gram cake. Just Hanging is 14 as a classic. $12. 15 bucks for Lace Combustion. Really good Lace Effect, red Lace Effect. That was a really good one. That was 40 bucks. 50 bucks. This is a good one. I did this one on my channel. $42. $12. This one's really good too. I have a demo on my channel. Also a really nice 200-gram cake. Avalanche is 11. That's a really good classic. 24. This one's new. I haven't done this one. This is 126 shots. Looks really interesting. Deer Camp. Waylon did this one on his channel, at his YouTube channel. It's really good. 10 bucks. It's a nice cake. Lucky Star is $13. 6 bucks. This one's 13. Paparazzi is 16. Strongman $11. That's a really good cake. Really old school cake. 12 bucks for Vibe Check. $18 for Rowdy Party. I'm a really big fan of this cake. I also demoed this cake years ago, but it's a really nice 200-gram cake. $15. 63. 48. $50 for Artistic Pyro. This is a really awesome 500-gram cake. The effects in this one's really nice, guys. Really recommend this one. The crowd's gonna really like this one. This one's 50 bucks. That's a really good price for that one. $10. 9. Joker, 14 bucks. That's a really good 200-gram cake. I also really recommend that one. Graffiti's 12. Flabbergasted is 11. Thermoblast is 12. 10 bucks for the Great Magician. $10 for the Mystic Bermuda. Very good 200 grammer, 21 shots. I really recommend this one right here. $13. 17. 15. This is the last of the no name. Whatever he has that's no name, he's not gonna get any more of it, so pick it up. These are all $20 each. $25 Road Rage. Fat Lady is $54. Who Let the Dogs Out? That one is $38. Really cool cake. He demoed that one on his channel. $40 for Havoc. Buck Hunter and Buck Fever, both by Pyro King. Really good, solid 200-gram cakes. These are really nice. This one's a 12 shot. This one's a 25 shotter. This one's 15. That one's 18. 14. 12. That was a really good one for 12 bucks. 10. I also like this one. This one's $11. It's 25 shots. I demoed this one in the past. It's really nice. For 11 bucks, it's a really good price, and you get 25 shots. This is a really nice fan 200-gram cake for 21 bucks. It's a really nice cake. 28. 29. Breaking Bad is going to be 29. That has nice big breaks. This is a 500 gram. Yeah, this is a really nice cake too. 29 bucks. All right, let's see here. This one's 25. I believe this one's new. Oh, this is the one that has the Girandola inside of it. Let me see. Okay. So it does have a Girandola, so make sure if you buy this one, you rip off the top, because or else the Girandola will probably be stuck in there. 45, 35. It's got this kit for 85 bucks. Comes with two 500-gram cakes, 120 shots. Here goes our artillery shells. Supernova is 72. G-Force is 65. We have the King Dragon for 98. Raccoon 80 for the raccoon ones, 5 inches. Neon Beefs $75. Those are very good canisters. Some of those will have some mind effects. I believe it's half of them that have them, but those are really good. I recommend those. Ghostacular are 90. Holy Nishikis, those are 87. Really nice Nishiki effect canisters. Anarchy are 85. 84. This one right here is 145. I believe I did I believe I did that one on my channel last time I came out here last year. That was really good. Payback's 141. Freedom Riders 87. All in is 69. Double Scoop I haven't seen that one. That one's 41. I believe Waylon does that one on his channel. 33 Super Magnum artillery shells. Alright. Let's keep it moving. The bomb is 36. No name. 38. 50. 58. 57. 34. Nice and chic cake by Happy Family. 34 bucks. Lace Impulse. 45. 43. 45. 52. This was a really nice one by Supreme Fireworks. 25 shots. Nice fan cake. We've done this one in the past. One's pretty good. 56. 39. 54. Presto Chango is 22. It's a pretty good price for 500 gram cake. Sharknado is 50. Super Stun is 55. That's a really nice cake. Really huge breaks on that one. That one's awesome. Pick that one up. We got 53. 35. It's got a bunch of things down here like fountains, hen laying eggs. Let's see, did I got anything up here I missed? That one right there is 15. 20. I think these are just doubles right here, guys. So let's keep moving over here. Home run is 17. 50. 48. 17 for a cherry bomber. I like that one. That was a really nice one. That one's been out for a while as well. 30 bucks for rounders. 40 bucks for catch. So it's no name, so whatever he has a no name, he's not gonna have any more of it. Whatever he has, he's just gonna sell. So that's the last of those. Neon Moon 40. This is a really nice cake. 181 shots. 40 bucks. That's a really nice price. It's like a zipper. It has a bunch of shots. That one's really nice. Alright, this one's really good. 35 bucks. I demoed this one. Really recommend that one. That's a good one. Swamp Gator 20 shots. That's $41. This one's 44. 36. It's got some rockets right here. 30 bucks for these. 30 bucks for a 6-pack. Nice. $30, $38 for this pack right here. It's got a good amount of rockets. Alright. Some novelties. Alright. $15 for Hailstorm. Not sure how much 1 minute ride is. Can't see the price on that one. This one is going to be $35. $8 on Boxing King. $13 for Sky Shooter. Inferno's $13. $8 for 200 shot center missiles. $4 for 100 shots. And 25 shots are $1. Motor Mouth is $20. Smoke Dragon, that is a daytime cake. It shoots smoke. That's 13 bucks. That's $12. $8. Backpacks are 20. Another center missile battery. This one's $59. 750 shots. Pretty heavy. It says color and mine. Looks interesting. This one right here is called Dragon. 40. 42 for Blonde Joke. One Bad Granny's 30. Alright. 49. 37. 48. This one's 39. This one looks pretty interesting. 20 shots. 80 bucks for this kit. This one's bottoms up. This is a really cool effect cake. This one is, let's see, $30. This is a really nice cake. Check out the video. That one's really cool. Two fishy. That's a fish effect. $11. 20 bucks. All right, $14. Pool Party. 35. 32. This one here is 40. This is a Spider Nebula. This one is gonna be $35. Got some festival balls for $8. Got this really big fountain. It's 38 bucks. Witch Doctor, $21. 31. 19. Huh. 19 bucks. Okay. Pretty cool. 40 bucks. Hit the road jack. That's a really good one. 49 shots. Got some 900 boards. 2 inches. $35. This one too. Gel baits 42. This one's new. I haven't seen this one before. This one is gonna be $13. Looks interesting. 50, 65, 40. Notorious, really good cake, $21. Agent of Boom, 33, really good cake as well. 34, 26. Some ball shells for $9. This one looks pretty cool. I think he posted this on his channel. It's a nice big fountain. This one's 23 bucks. Banana Split is 24, 27 for big color. That was really good. He did that on his channel. Looks like it has really nice breaks. 34, 44. Magic is 30. This one is 34 bucks. Nice Nishiki effects. $54. 42. 27. 50. This one's 60. 48. Bang Bros is 55. $40. 35. This one's 58. 43. 55. 38. 25. 50. This one's 32. Did that one on my channel. It's pretty good. 32 bucks. 35. 30. 24. $24. 500 gram cake. Can't beat that. $37. 41. 42. 31. That is some really sick artwork. 36 shots. $31. 45. 32. 40. Nice big gold glitter shots. That was nice. 35 bucks. 56. 31. Oh, this one looks Pyro FM. 40 shots. That one looks interesting. So I guess you have to point it this way. I think it's a fan. Has some fan effects. $30. 58. Ta-da! That's 35 bucks. That's a really solid cake. Nice crosette effect. That one is really nice. Definitely recommend that one. 48 bucks. It's got a bunch of no-abs. 99. 90. 90. This one here is 80. 90. 90. 90 as well. So is that one. 99. 90. 90. 90 bucks. That's pretty good. 90 bucks is a pretty good price for all these. This one's 105. This one's called Party Like It's 1776. That's 105. 90. 90. 90. Lots of ball shells, artilleries. These are 24. These are 24. These are 29. 20 bucks. 57. 40 for those. 9 bucks. 16. 33. 20. 20. Echo in the year. Those are really nice. 24 bucks. Very good ball shells. 27 bucks. 11. 10. These are 11. 9. 8. 8. 27. Alright, that one's 95. 120. 99. 90. Got some of this Proline stuff right here. 20 bucks for some nice candles. 22. 16. Poke the Bear. 35 bucks for everybody's favorite ball shells. 35 bucks. 33. 16. That's a good price on Jaw Dropper. 29. 35. 35. 16 on the pitas. 16s. This one is 22 bucks. That's a good price for that one. 30, 29, 35, 30, 33, 33. Sobby Minions ball shells noise, 35 bucks. 25 bucks for these. I believe these are also noise. 35, 105, 100 shots. These are 50. This one right here is 75 bucks. More noise for 30 ball shells. This one is $85. This one's 60. Whoa Nelly, 95. Taste of Rainbow's 50. Nice cake. These are all 100 down here. 75. Imagination. I'm not sure how much that one is. All right, got some rockets for 14 bucks. Silent Power. Let's see. Horn Dog 50. A lot of these are repeats. He sells his own firing system, guys. Very simple ones for 20 bucks. And he has igniters. Let's see. Got some winning colors are 85, 48, 28, 36. Got the Saint and Sinners. These right here are $85 each. 70 bucks. LOL is 45. Whole bunch of Roman candles. That one's 27, 40. This backpack kit is 18 bucks. So I got a few more things to look at. These rockets look really good. 12 bucks. Nice howling rockets with some nice report. Color reports. Got Super Freaks, 30 bucks. These are silent bullets are 30. Got these packs for 38. Pretty large kit. Ring of Power 13. Baseball bats are 9. 7, 12, 13. These are $7 each, which are these right here. Take names of kick butts. Let's see, 12, 15, 16, 15. That's a good cake. 30, 17, 12, 13. That one's 15 again. 13 bucks. These are $30 each. These three right here. 44. This one's 90. Some more noise rockets, 20 bucks. This is a nice fountain, 23, 99. These thunder snaps are 2 for $3. Let's see. This one is $16 for a Smoky. 11. It's got Girandolas, guys, for $11. Check it out. Girandolas. Not a bad price. 12, 8, 12. Not sure how much Franken mine is, but that one's really nice. I did that one before. Ancient and Boom, 33, 15, 15, 15, 14, 16, 11, 12, 16, 15, double decker, 12, 11, 11, 17, 11, 22 bucks for the whiskey business. That's pretty good. I like that one. I did this one last year for 22 bucks. These are all 8 right here. 8 bucks. Small little artillery for 5 bucks. Got some miscellaneous down there. Alright, we got 12, 12, 24. This one's 10 bucks. Not bad, 10 bucks. $15, 7, 10, 7, 13. This one's 15 bucks right here. 12, that's really good. It has a really good siren. And it's only 7 shots, but it's really loud. Those are sweet. 12 bucks. 11 bucks. He just demoed this one on his channel. It's really good for $11. 11 bucks. 14, 12. That's pretty much like a salute cake. That's pretty good for 12 bucks. 22. This one comes with two 200-gram cakes in one little kit. These are all new. These three right here are $15. 12, 17, 32. This one's 35. That's some nice artwork. 27. Check out these really cool handheld like fountains. $5. All right, let's see. So here's a bunch of stuff right here, like firecrackers. A lot of miscellaneous good stuff right here. Smoke bombs, my favorite, 2 for $3. I love smoke bombs. This one's really cool. Red, white, and blue smoke, $4. Let's see what else we have. Sparklers, he's got them all. Got the classic ones. These are really cool. Little handheld fountains for $4. Snow cones. This one's $10. It's like this little toy thing that spins around. But yeah, guys, that's about pretty much it as far as new stuff. We've got some more things right here. Dinosaurs. These are $8, $5, $7. These are really good. $8. Recommend these. They go in the air. They have like multiple effects. Those are really cool. These are smoke ones for $5. Do those in the daytime. I believe these have a report to them. $3. So yeah, guys. I think that's most of it. Here, discount fireworks in Ripon, Wisconsin. Wayland has really good prices. You guys should check them out. I'll leave the address in the description. But yeah, guys, check them out. All right, boys. Till the next one.